Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious bread pudding recipe that have a beautiful sauce that goes with it. So to get started, you are going to be needing your bread. I'm using an Italian loaf of bread that I purchased from the store. You'll be needing 3 eggs, 2 cups of milk, and I have 1 tablespoon of raw brown sugar. You also need half a cup of granulated sugar, and I have a little bit of nutmeg I'll be grating myself. I have 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and you'll be needing some either almond extract or vanilla. You can use either. And I have half a cup of raisins that I'll be using, and you need some cooking spray just to spray your pan. And now for the sauce, you are going to be needing another half cup of sugar, half a cup of butter or 1 stick of butter, and you'll be needing about 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And I am going to be using about 3 tablespoons of this rum. I'm using the Haitian Barbancourt, but if you don't have that, you have a different type of rum, you can use that as well. And you're also going to be needing a pinch of salt. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. So to get started, I already went ahead and cracked my eggs, and you guys know I love removing that little white part on the eggs. I'll take it out and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I already removed most of it, but I'm talking about this little part right there. So I like to just throw that in the garbage. Like I said, I already did that with the rest of my eggs, and I'm just going to go ahead and just put that in my milk. Okay, and you are going to be needing 1 teaspoon of that cinnamon and save the rest. I will show you guys what to do with the rest. And I'm going to grate a little bit of nutmeg in there, not too much, just enough to make your heart smile. Okay, and then I'm going to put in my sugar in that mix as well, and you are going to be needing a whisk. Okay, and I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of almond extract. Okay, I like mixing vanilla and almond together, but like I said, if you don't have the almond one, you can just use vanilla, and half of the vanilla as well. Okay, put them to the side, and then now just go ahead and whisk everything together. Careful so you don't spill, because we have to make sure we beat the egg in that mix as well. Okay, all right, this is looking pretty good. Then I'll set that to the side, and we can move on to the next step. And now what I like to do is I like to soak my raisins in my rum. So I'll use, oh, this is so strong. Jeez, I can't speak. The rum is making me not able to speak already. So I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of that rum. Okay, and just let these raisins soak in there for a good 30 minutes, and then I will drain that rum and put it in that milk mixture as well. Again, just let it set to the side and let it soak for 30 minutes. I hope you guys can hear me, because I keep putting things away, trying to not have a big mess. Okay, so now for the bread, of course you want to have clean hands, and I already cut the end of my loaf off. So you want to just cut it not too big, make some slices. I want to try to make about 8 slices of bread. Okay, so I have nothing too crazy, so 2, 4, 6, 8. I'll set that to the side because I'm sure my kids will be eating that later. Okay, and just pile them up. And now you want to go ahead and cut them into some cubes. If it's hard to cut in a pile, you don't have to pile it up, but I'm going to just cut them up in some cube just like that. Okay, push them to the side. Again, if it's hard to do when you pile it up, you don't have to pile it. Let me know if you guys like bread pudding. I like bread pudding, but man, I need some good vanilla ice cream on top of it. Plus that sauce that I'm about to make. So this is not the healthiest, but it's definitely very, very, very holiday delicious. Okay, so I'm going to put all my breads in there, and I'm going to continue cutting it, and then once I come back, we're going to go ahead and soak the bread, and then we can start working from there. Okay, now you want to go ahead and take your raisins and drain the rum out of the raisin right into that milk mix. Okay, and you want to mix that. Don't worry guys, the alcohol will cook once we bake this. By the way, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And now just take that mix and pour it on top of the bread. It's almost like we are making French toast, and that's what my kids love about this recipe, because my kids absolutely love French toast. And I'm going to let that soak for about a good 20 minutes. And now you want to take the raisins and place it in that mix of the bread and just kind of fold it in. Try not to mash it up. Just fold it in nicely. You guys can see that. Okay. And I already went ahead and sprayed a pan. And now all I'm going to do is pour in my bread pudding mix. Okay, this looks so delicious already. It smells good, of course. It have the rum in there. This is going to be so good with that sauce and the ice cream, guys. Okay, and now I'm going to sprinkle that brown sugar and the rest of that cinnamon right on top, just to give it a nice pretty color. And now you are going to bake this under the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, or a little bit longer until the top is nice and golden. Okay, for the rum sauce, you want to go ahead and grab a saucepan and turn your stove to either medium low or medium high. Make sure you keep an eye on it. And I'm going to put in my stick of butter, and I'm going to put in that half cup of sugar. Okay, and a pinch of salt, just a little bit of salt, nothing too major. And to that, I'm going to put in about 3 tablespoons of my heavy cream. Oh, a little more going there than I wanted. And then I'm going to bring back that rum. Like I said, guys, the alcohol will cook in this, so don't worry. And if you don't want, you don't have to use the rum, but it's the holidays, okay? So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the rum, and now you are going to just allow this to melt, and make sure you are whisking it so it does not burn. Okay, let it melt together and let it be nice and thick. Once it's nice and thick, it's pretty much done. You can set that to the side. Okay guys, as you can see, my banana bread is done. It's looking exactly how I want it to look. Because I sprayed the bottom of the pan, you can easily see it's nice and moist, but then crispy on the bottom. So now I'm going to take a little bit to give it a try with you guys. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Okay, I'm going to move this, and then I'm going to grab that nice delicious sauce. Okay, I'm going to pour some on top. Oh my goodness, this is trouble. It's a good thing I love to work out. again, it's the holidays. Enjoy your food, guys. Enjoy, okay? I'm going to put some vanilla ice cream on top. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is the type of dessert you want to have this holiday, okay? And moment of truth, okay? Nice big spoon. Oh my God. Seriously, guys, you have to give this recipe a try this holiday, okay? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all my other social medias. And if you do one of my recipes, please tag me. Other than that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.